Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to lock cells in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to lock, so protect a specific cell or a table or a whole spreadsheet in Google Sheets, here's how to do it. So let's say we have this project management sheet and we have this project management table, and we don't want people who have access to this sheet to change project status here, the project name here, and stuff like that. So in that case, what we have to do is lock the cells. So I selected the table, then we can right click on that table, and then we can go to view more cell actions, and we're gonna see protect range, or we can also click on data in the menu bar, and we also have protect sheets and ranges here. And if you have selected previously something, by default that range will be selected here in the range section, but you can also change this later if you want, as you can see by clicking on select date range here. You can also add the name to this protected or locked range we have, and then once you added the name and selected the range you want to lock, then you have to click on set permissions, and as you can see you can completely lock, so restrict who can edit this range, or you can just show a warning when editing this range. But in this case, let's restrict who can edit this range. We can select it to only you, or we can add a custom option and add editors here who can also edit that range. But besides those people, nobody else will be able to edit that locked range we have. But let's say we only want ourselves to be able to edit this locked cell range, then click on done. And as you can see, change is saved. And now if I go to another profile, which I have also opened the same Google spreadsheet, and if I go to this section, as you can see, we have this grayed out area and I cannot do anything. There is a problem. You are trying to edit a protected cell or object. So as you can see, so all in all, this is how you can lock cells or ranges in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.